Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we just finished up a basic install on this beautiful mint condition Road King. So on the Road Kings, we normally either do lowers and lid speakers. This bike didn't have lowers, so we opted just to do lid speakers. Customer wanted something weatherproof, excellent performance. We did Cicada FLX 700 Pro amplifier with the built-in DSP. We made a composite mount that we mounted to the saddlebag. The screws go on the shock side that hold the mount securely in place and takes up very, very little bag space because the amplifier is super small. Quick disconnect harnesses that hide the quick disconnect behind the side cover on the left-hand side. Then we have an XT60 harness that exits the left bag, goes over under the seat, goes to the other side, another XT60 connector, then it feeds the speaker in the bag on the other side. Everything's weatherproof, everything's serviceable, nice clean fit and finish, and the bike sounds really, really good. Check out the build. For the Road King, we like to use 1/4 screws, 1/4 inserts, and plastic. So now the inserts turned in, amp will mount on this side, and then this mounted to the saddlebag, so you can easily pull the screws out and service it. There's our XT60 harness that connects to the other side, that does the jumper to the other bag. Here's our quick disconnect, power ground remote. Other half is right here behind the side cover. Amplifiers nice and neatly mounted. And the Bluetooth streamer for extended range is going to go right here.
I'm right back at you, baby. If I ever fall in love again, next time the lady will be just like you. The very first time that I saw your brown eyes, your lips said hello and I said hi.